Welcome everyone to our Sixth Form Assembly for the 4th of February 2021. So I want to start off Year 12 and 13 by reminding everyone of the upcoming Radyr webinars that we have. So Thursday the 4th of February we have a webinar on geography courses and careers, and also a taster lecture from Karen Lucas, Professor of Geography at the University of Manchester. Now, if you're a student who's studying geography in Year 12 or Year 13, please make every effort to attend this webinar at 5 p.m. and you need to register for this on our Eventbrite site. Now, on Monday the 8th of February at 5 p.m, we have a talk from Swansea University College of Human and Health Science, and they'll be giving a talk about healthcare science careers, and you'll also get the chance to have a taster lecture from Dr. Alex Perkins, who's Programme Director at the college. Now, Alex will be talking about the link between sleep and physical and mental health. And if you're interested in healthcare, medicine, biology, sciences, psychology, sport, PE, health and social care, etc., this will be a fantastic opportunity. This will also be useful to anyone who's keen to learn more about health and well-being and looking after their own health and well-being. So please make every effort to attend this. Now, to support our history students at both AS and A-level, we are running a masterclass in conjunction with Swansea University on Thursday the 11th of February at 5 p.m. Now, if you're studying history at AS or A-level, please make every effort to attend this. We are so lucky to have two senior lecturers from Swansea University giving talks to us. There'll be two separate taster lecturers during this session. So to book a place for this webinar, please register on our Eventbrite site, and we'll also email out the Zoom link details for this. Now, this webinar is also open to students who may not study history but may be interested in pursuing a history course at university. Now, on Tuesday, March the 2nd at 5 p.m, we have a talk from the Welsh Ambulance Service, and they'll be talking about all the different careers available in this organisation, and also looking at the role of a paramedic, which will be really, really useful for anyone who's thinking about healthcare careers. Now, if you're a Year 12 or Year 13 student, there's so many fantastic opportunities being put on by universities at the moment. Here is details of a webinar being put on by Swansea University on Friday the 5th of February, and you've been emailed details of these Swansea Uni webinars. And it is a talk on the world's first coronavirus vaccine smart patch, which is really, really useful for anyone interested in engineering, anyone interested in medicine, anyone interested in any STEM career. And this will be a taster lecture about cutting edge research that is taking place in the University of Swansea. So really, really great to learn more about this, which will be really useful material for a personal statement or an interview. Now, I also want to highlight these excellent webinars that are being put on by the Serin Network in conjunction with Oxford University, which are transition to uni webinars, and they're for anyone who holds an offer in Year 13 for medicine, natural science, humanities, social science, etc. And it doesn't have to be an offer from Oxford, it could be an offer from any university, and these webinars are there to help you make the transition from Year 13 to university. So they contain lots and lots of really useful information, background reading, etc. that will help you have a smooth transition. Now, every Monday, the University of South Wales are running fantastic taster sessions on a range of different subjects. And on Monday, the 8th of February, they're running taster events on computer games development and sport. So if you're interested in these subjects, please check out your emails for details how to enrol for these taster sessions. Now, I mentioned previously that University of Wales Trinity St David run fantastic taster sessions for a range of subjects, and they're running an art and design foundation course taster session, and this takes place on the 10th of February, the 10th of March and the 31st of March, and each session has a different topic that they'll be exploring. Now, many students will leave us after completing either art or design A-levels and go on to foundation art courses and foundation design courses. So this will be a very good session to find more about these sort of opportunities. Now, 3 more examples of the types of taster sessions available are shown on this slide. So for example, they're running taster sessions for tourism, events and hospitality courses, and this takes place on Saturday the 6th of February at 11 a.m. and you can book a place on this course if you check your emails and you check out their website. They're also running business management and finance taster sessions and nursing, health and social care sessions. So these are great opportunities to explore different subjects and different opportunities for what you might want to do after you leave Sixth Form. Now, I want to remind all Year 13 students that I've sent you a link several times for this video from Student Finance Wales, which explains how you arrange student finance. It tells you everything you need to know. We'll also be putting on a session for students and parents later in the spring term. But get a head start. Please check out this video, which is on our YouTube channel, and you'll learn everything you need to know about applying for student finance. It's also worth your 12 students looking at this because time will fly by and it won't be long before you're in the same position as Year 13. Now, there are lots of conferences and exhibitions taking place over the next few weeks and months. For example, What Careers Live and What University Live is taking place on the 19th and 20th of March. And this is a fantastic event that we normally take a school trip to. It's normally held at the NEC in Birmingham. And it allows students to engage with major companies and universities all at the same time. Now, there tends to be a 50-50 split in terms of the number of companies and universities invited to this event. So if you're somebody who is unsure whether university is the best option for you or whether you will be pursuing school leavers programs and apprenticeships or even taking a gap year, this is a great event to find out what's out there and for you to make decisions on what you might like to do in the future. Now, on the 10th of February, there is a fantastic event taking place between 12 and 7 p.m. and it's called Meet the Russell Group, and it's a virtual experience where you get the opportunity to hear from the 24 Russell Group universities, and they'll be talking about the different courses and opportunities that they have to offer. So please make every effort to attend this if you're interested in studying at university, because it'll be a fantastic event. Now, if you're thinking of applying to Oxford or Cambridge, we recommend that you attend one of the student conferences that Oxford and Cambridge are running between the 15th and the 26th of March. Now, during these conferences, you'll hear from admission tutors. You will get help on how to construct a personal statement. They will also be talking to you about how to choose colleges and how to choose courses, as well as helping you prepare for entrance exams and Oxbridge interviews. So this is a must for anyone who's thinking of applying for Oxford and Cambridge. Please check your emails and register as soon as possible, because this will be a very, very popular series of conferences. Now, if you're a student who's interested in apprenticeships or school leavers programs, or you're even a student who's looking for work experience opportunities, please check out the following events that I'm going to talk about now. So, for example, BT are running a virtual open evening on the 8th of February and the 23rd of February. Please check your emails for details. And they're going to talk about all the different apprenticeship schemes that they offer. And they have a whole range of opportunities in different career sectors, from information technology, cybersecurity, engineering, customer service, etc. So please check out this opportunity, because it will give you lots and lots of information about the sorts of apprenticeships available. Now, HSBC are running a work experience scheme for students from year 10 to year 13, and it's a week-long placement program. And if you're interested in financial services, investment banking, marketing, digital skills and careers, this would be a really, really good scheme to apply for. You have to apply by the 21st of February, and I've sent you emails with details on how you apply. Now, if you're a year 12 or year 13 student, you can apply for a virtual work experience program which is taking place in half term, And here we have major companies such as IBM, HSBC, PwC, Vodafone, EY, Capgemini, BP, GSK, etc. taking part. And this is a great opportunity to enhance your CV and to network with some of the UK and world's biggest companies. Now, there are only 200 places for this scheme, so if you are interested, you need to apply as soon as possible. And if you check your emails, you'll find details on how to apply. Now, as I mentioned in every assembly in the last few weeks, this is the time of year that Year 13 students will be applying for apprenticeships, and companies realise that this is the time they need to advertise for a September start. So here's just one example of an apprenticeship available. This is a degree apprenticeship being offered by Jaguar and Land Rover, and this will pay £20,000 and you will study over 4 years. You get paid a salary and you get your degree paid for, and the degree is in conjunction with the University of Warwick, and they have different pathways available, and this is software engineering, data analytics, network engineering and IT based. So if you're interested, check your emails because this is a great opportunity to earn while you learn. Now, many students at Radyr are interested in business, and Deloitte, one of the biggest companies in the world, have a Bright Start apprenticeship scheme, and the entry requirements for this is 104 UCAS points. Now remember, 32 points is a merit in a BTEC or a C graded A level, 40 points is a B graded A level, and 48 points is a distinction at BTEC or an A graded A level. Now, an A star at A level is 56 points, and that's equivalent to a distinction star at BTEC. So this is 104 UCAS points, and you also need at least a C grade in English and a B grade at GCSE Maths. So check out the Deloitte website for details of their Bright Start apprenticeship scheme. Now, another company who have great opportunities for students who are interested in apprenticeships and school leavers programs is KPMG, and they have apprenticeships where the entry requirements are 112 UCAS points, which is equivalent to BBC at A level, or someone who gets distinctions and merits in BTECs. And this program also requires you to have a minimum B grade in Maths at GCSE and English language. Now, the length of the program is 5 years, so you will earn a salary as you acquire the different qualifications that you need to be successful in the financial sector. Now, there are apprenticeship opportunities and school leavers programs in other career sectors other than the financial and business sector. For example, Amey are offering civil engineering degree apprenticeships, and it's in the southwest region, so you'll be based around the Bristol area. So this is a civil engineering degree apprenticeship program. You would be working in the southwest region. You would be getting paid around £18,000 a year, and you would be studying part-time with Coventry University, and your degree would be paid for by the company, and they will also help you to progress to become a chartered engineer. So if you're interested in this opportunity, check your emails. You have to apply by the 12th of February. Now, another company who are currently advertising apprenticeship opportunities are GSK, and they're offering higher apprenticeships and degree apprenticeships. Now remember, a higher apprenticeship builds on what you've studied at A level. At A level and at BTEC you're studying level 3 qualifications, so they tend to be level 4 qualifications and upwards. And a degree apprenticeship scheme involves you studying part-time for a degree at a university while working for the company, and the company will pay for your degree and pay you a salary while you learn. So you can see that GSK have supply chain apprenticeships, chemical engineering apprenticeships and data science degree apprenticeships available for you to apply for. And they also have a whole range of these higher apprenticeships which students might be interested in. So for example, there are finance ones, and there are lab science ones, and there are data analytics and pharmaceutical ones and manufacturing ones as well as engineering apprenticeships. So GSK is one of the world's biggest companies, so please check out their website for further details. Now, Year 12 and Year 13 students have received their full reports over the last few weeks, and parents can download these on the Sims app. And I just want to say well done to everyone. I'm really pleased with the progress you're making in really difficult circumstances. Around 75% of students at Radyr Sixth Form are hitting their aspirational ALPS target. Now remember, ALPS is a company that set you targets based on your GCSE results, and they set you a challenging target to beat 75% of students in the UK, so around 700,000 students in their ALPS sample, who have the same GCSE results as you. So you are set a target to beat 75% of students in the UK with the same GCSE results as you. And around 75% of students at Radyr are already on that target, or above that target in some cases. So a massive well done to everyone. I just want to remind everyone that we want you to keep making progress, so we need you to attend 100% of live lessons, and if you're unable to attend a particular lesson, you must email me and your teachers in advance of the lesson to let us know. And if you miss a lesson, all work must be caught up as soon as possible. Now, all recorded lessons will require students to complete work, and this work must be completed by deadline set, and we need this to happen because we don't want you to fall behind, because you're doing incredibly well and we want you to keep making progress. Now, if you have any issues about the work, or you feel that you're struggling at the moment, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can email me, Miss Jones, Mrs. Siciliano, Mrs. Perks, and we'll get back to you the same day. So if you've got any issues, please contact us, because we're there to support you and help you. So I hope everyone has a really enjoyable end to the week, and I look forward to seeing everybody at our live webinars.